Welcome, I am Alexein from videogames.lu. I'm responsible for the fighting corner in our gaming cafe events, and I have some exciting news for fighting game lovers. As you may already know, we have our online gaming cafe on the 20th of March, which is a Saturday. It starts at 6 p.m. and we thought about doing something special for fighting games, and I am that kind of guy who likes challenges in fighting games, like trial missions or something like that, and I wanted to integrate that also in our newest event. So this is the birth of Fighting Corner Trials. So what is it all about? As the name already suggests, there are certain sets of challenges that have to be accomplished during the event. So we will have 3 types of challenges. In total we will have 10. And the types of challenges are the following. We'll have single challenges, which consist of certain kind of trials that have a certain condition to be claimed, and everyone is competing for themselves. So whoever accomplishes the challenge first wins, and the challenge that has been accomplished is getting taken out of the equation. There is no other option to accomplish that challenge. Then we'll have a secret challenge, which is also a single challenge, but the only difference is that its condition is hidden. So you have to try some things to see if this is the condition that we want you to accomplish, and whoever gets this first is also taking the win. So start guessing and see if you can find the condition by chance, or if nobody is really near the condition or is struggling with the condition after 1 hour, I would say, you will get a hint from the organizers that are present in the event. And we will have also another type of challenges, which will be collective challenges. So this is not a competitive type of challenge, but more of a teamwork type of challenge, where everybody is trying to reach a goal together at the end of the event. So the game which we chose to do the event for is going to be Street Fighter V. So there are a couple of reasons why we chose Street Fighter V. First of all, it's cross-platform, so we don't need to exclude people that only play on PC or only play on PS4. And the game had a major update not so long ago, so it's nice to revisit the game in a certain way. I can also give you some examples of challenges. As you already know, as the game that we are going to play is Street Fighter V, the challenges are focused on the Street Fighter V mechanics. So one single challenge could be perform 5 successful V shifts or V breaks, and the other a collective challenge example could be perform 20 critical arts in this event. So how to play, how to join the fun? It's like the other online gaming cafes. You have to join the videogames.lu Discord. There you will see a voice chat which is specific for Fighting Corner Trials. You can enter the voice chat. You don't need to, but it's nice to hear everybody again. You will enter the Fighting Corner Trials voice Discord, and there will be an organizer guiding you on what to do. So you have to join also Street Fighter V lobby and play to your heart's content, trying to reach the challenges. So how is it going to be played out? We will say winner stays until he has a 3-win streak. Okay, after that he has to move and let other people play. And the format will be first to 1, and we will add 3 rounds instead of 2, so people have more chances to accomplish their challenges. So this is it. We will have a stream for that. Commentators can also guide you if there are some questions. You can also follow the stream to see what's going on. But keep in mind, there's also an organizer voice chat in Discord. Then what are we going to do if the lobby gets full? As this is the Street Fighter 5 lobby, only 8 people are allowed to join, and 1 spot is already taken by the streamer. So 7 people in total that can play kind of simultaneously, not quite simultaneously, but can be in one place. And if there are people who want to join but the lobby is full, we will ask people if one of the lobbyists wants to leave first. If nobody wants to leave, then we will gently ask the one who had the most matches to leave for 2-3 rounds. It depends on how many people are waiting until he gets re-invited again. So in this case, we hope to maintain a certain rotation to avoid that people are waiting too long for some matches. So what's in it for you? If you accomplish the challenge, be it a single challenge or the secret challenge, your name is going to be immortalized in our leaderboards after the event. So we will show who did which challenge, and it's going to be released on Facebook, on Twitter, and on certain social media platforms. We have no prizes planned for the moment because it's the first time we are doing this specific event. It's quite unique, so we want to see if this type of event will have some sort of success. Afterwards we could talk about prizes, but this is something for the future. With that being said, as I already mentioned, it's still some sort of trial thing for the fighting community here in Luxembourg. So we welcome really any sort of feedback, also during the event and after the event. So we want really to improve this. I think it has the potential to be something quite unique. So we are happy for any kind of comment. With that being said, I hope this small little video gave you an idea on how this will work out. If there are some things that are still not clear, don't hesitate to put a comment under this video so we can answer your questions. So with that being said, I hope I will see you guys on the 20th of March at the Online Gaming Cafe. So that's it for me. See you guys later.